Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your front page. Now there are multiple ways that you can gain access to your Elementor page builder. I'm going to show them to you. So what you do is you'll be logged in, you'll be at your dashboard. You're going to go to pages, click all pages. Once it is loaded, you're going to locate your front page. Now your front page will be indicated with the wording front page. So now the two ways that we can gain access is if we hover over it, we can click edit with Elementor, which I would always advise to right click and then open link in a new tab, because once you click that, it will actually remove you from the WordPress dashboard, so it's hard to go back, especially when you want to navigate to different sections on the website. So, or the other way, you can go click edit and then click on the blue button that says edit with Elementor. Not a fan of doing this way, just for time purposes. I literally prefer to go pages and then right click and open in a new tab. Okay, so I've got it preloaded here. This is your website. This is your navigator that can move around, which is, I find, very important, because if I want to go to a section, I can click on it and it would take me to that section straight away. Right? On your left hand side here, I've just clicked this little Rubik's Cube. These are the different, we call them widgets, that we can use to build your front page. Okay, so each item on your front page has got a row. That's why it's called section. So if we click here, we click on the third section, it will take us down. It will highlight with this purple tab here. Click on the bottom one, you'll see it will pink tab, not purple. It will give us the pink tab at the top. So now it's quite nice. The reason why Elementor is quite nice to use is because if we just click this 6 little dots on the pink tab, you'll see that on the left hand side it will say edit section. Now we've got our width of 800 pixels and we've got our min height. So if we change that, as you can see, we can change the height of it. Put that back to 82. Then if we want to change the background, you'll go style on the background. We've got 3 images and you'd literally just select the little pencil. And these are the images here, which you can move around just like this. And if you want to delete, you'll just click the X. And if you want to add, you just click add to gallery. And then you can select whatever image that's in your gallery, or you can go upload files. And then you would click here, and then you could choose an image you want to use from your computer. So we'll just go back out of that. To edit, where it says here, welcome to TWXR Consumables, what you do is you just click on it, and then on the left hand side here, you'll see there's your writing there. We'll just write hi everyone, and as you can see, it is coming right here. I'm also able to click on the writing on the front page and change the text right there and then. If I wanted to change the color of it, I would click on style, and then there's a text color, and we could, as you can see, just drag on the color grid if we wanted to. All right. Lower down, we've got our button, which we've got pushing straight to the shop. Again, there's your link there. We can change the positioning of it. If we wanted to, we could make the button extra large. If we wanted to, make the button extra small. We'll just make it medium. And then if we go to style here, we've got the blue there, which we can change, or we can go to hover, and then we can change the color again if we wanted to, or we could even change the animation. So if we see, as you can see, it's now pulsing and shrinking. If we want to pulse and grow, you change it, and as you can see, it pulses and grows. But that is how you edit this section of your website. If we scroll down a little bit, if we hover over, you'll see now, yes, I'm on this section, but if I want to confirm I'm on that section, I can click on the right hand side, click section number 2, just here, and it will highlight the tabs. Again, as you can see, we've got this box, but the width is 1600 pixels. If we just make it full width, you see it doesn't really make a difference. We've just got the box containers, as you can see, just full width like that. Again, if we wanted to change the background, you'd click here, background. We could change the color of the background. We could even put an image there. We can put a slideshow, which is again like the row above. If we wanted to, it's entirely up to you. And then again, if we just click on the wording, you'll see this is what we call a text editor now. Now this text editor looks very similar to a Word document. However, yes, it does look like a Word document, but I don't like you to use it like a Word document. So if you want to use any of the writing here, sorry, let's just back step one section. If you want to edit any of the writing here, let's say you want to make it left. So if we click this little toggle here, you'll see now we've got our alignment. But I'd advise you strongly not to do that, because if you click the alignment here and then go to style and try to use the alignment here, right, it won't actually work, because when you click this alignment function here, it actually puts a layer of code in under the text side here. This is where it puts it in, and then the Elementor functions can't override that. So it's, if normally, as I say to clients, is just make sure that this is your text section, and then all your customizations that you're wanting, you do under the style tab. Come into your row underneath here. Again, this is very similar to row number 1 where your banner is. You just click on the tab here, you go down to style. This one, as you can see, is literally just one image. If we wanted to make it multiple images, we can click slideshow there, or granite, or video if we wanted to. If we click on video, we can put a YouTube link in there, as you see. We come back here. Again, same as the top. Edit heading. That's how you'd edit your heading. We can go hi again. And then if we wanted to, we can just go and delete it there. Come into your shop button. Again, it's the same as the top. You'll go down to style. Let's say you want to change the hover on this one just to make it a little bit different. We'll go push, and it only pushes it once. We can go bounce in. See, there you go, it bounces. All right. Coming down the row, the last row on the front page, if we click here, this is your product. So now this will randomly show any products. You only have 3 products on the website at the moment, but when you get more, every time the users come back, this is set to random products. So 1 minute the toolbox could be on the right, and then it will be on the left. Then you come back again and the toolbox is not even there. It will show more shampoos. All right. So this section here, you can go layout. You can choose if you want to show the short description. You can show the category, show the rating if you wanted to. Again, if we go to style, we got a little bit more tabs. We can go down to buttons, and then add to cart button there. And then as you can see, here are your colors that we've got. So we've got the button background color is blue, but the button background color on the hover over is white. So we'll hover over it, you'll see the background becomes white. And then the button text color is white, and then the button text color hover is now the blue, as you can see. So you can now just change those colors if you would like. And that is how you would edit your front page.